Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. Thought it was time to give you a winter update on the bus. Not a ton has happened in the last 6 months, and there's a reason for that. It's called money. This car is soaking the life out of me. Everything. The last time this was on the road was 1986, and everything, I mean every single hose, every line, every bracket, every piece is bad. And so it is taking way more money and way more time than I thought it would to complete. But I have been working on it little by little. You can see we got the seats reinstalled here, and still got to do some welding down on the bottom, but we got the interior cleaned up a lot in this thing. Of course, the brakes are all new up front. You saw that in another video. Coming along here to the back. Still doing some brake work in the rear. I'll show you on the other side. A lot of this also has to do with, and I covered it in a video where I was installing the gas tank in here, it's parts availability. Every time I run into an issue, you know, I can't just drive to town and grab it from, you know, Napa or whatever. Nobody makes this stuff. So it is a huge ordeal. It's usually 2 to 3 weeks turnaround. And, you know, then it's hard to get back into this stuff sometimes when you do that kind of waiting game. Hurry up and wait, hurry up and wait. Let's show you on this side here. We did do some work inside as well. It might be a little hard to tell, but we did do some cleaning up on the top there. That's all been redone up top here. And all this is pretty much done from the seat back to the back wall there. And that looks good. Brake wise on this side, I've been working on the rear brakes. A little shady in here, but you can see I've been working on cleaning that up and getting that ready. We got new wheel cylinders, new brake lines, new brake hoses. Shoes were fine, spring kit was fine, but new bearings. So a lot of work going on there. And I'll film the other side. There's just not enough light on this side. It's a pretty tight fit. But yeah, so that's where we're at. Dashboard, haven't really touched anything on there. Figure we're going to do our welding. We're going to replace all this stuff here first, and then I'll start on the interior. We're going to do some. I've got some paneling for in here. We actually, of course, got a new radio. We're going to install a CB as well. So, you know, the usual stuff at Farpoint. Still want to try to travel with this thing, but I don't think it's going to be this summer. Maybe this fall, maybe about another 8 months or so. And that's, you know, the engine's done. It just needs to be put in, but I can't get the engine in because I'm still waiting on a adapter for the gas tank. Still got one little rubber piece that I can't seem to find online or anywhere else for that matter. But I wanted to update you on this. I know a lot of you follow the channel for the air-cooled stuff. I do have a super secret, super cool announcement to make related to air-cooled stuff. We have definitely got a surprise for you, so stick around another week or two. I'll try to slap that video together. And well, yeah, I got a lot of work ahead of me. Till next time, my friends, take care.